let's do some Valentine's Day nails.
So we're gonna jump straight to the application. This is Mia's Secret pinkish mixed with a little bit of clear. There is a little bit of bulkiness because I forgot to mix it right before I used it, so don't mind that. Now the application is done, we're going to get into the shaping. I go back and forth between my hand file and my E file, going from the side, the free edge, and sealing the top. And the cuticle, of course. Make sure you always go from different angles of your nails so that you can really get a sharp shape. Now that shaping is done, I'm going to go in with a matte top coat before I do any of my nail art so that I have a very smooth base to work with. Once that's cured, we're going to start on the art. These are the Beauty Shell polishes that I use. That light pink shade is number 332. So here I'm going in and I'm doing all French tip. This is a freestyle design. I got some inspo off of Pinterest.
Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you? Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. Can I call you, darling?
I'm going to give y'all a closer look at how I do my French tips on my pointer finger. It does take me a while to be satisfied with my French tip because I like them a certain way.
Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you? Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. Can I call you, darling?
Another thing I like to do is match up my nails to make sure the Frenchies are meeting at the same point on each nail.
Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause you're sweet.
As you can see, I did end up wanting my Frenchies a little bit further down, so I went in and made the other ones further down. Once my Frenchies are cured, I go in and I start on the nail art. For the pointer finger, I added top coat to do this 3D heart design. It's just hearts and a couple of dots. It's really easy to do. Obviously, to do any 3D design, you're going to apply your gel, don't cure it, but you add a bunch of clear acrylic on top of it, and then you cure it. For the middle finger, I did this cute XO design. Then I decided to go in and add some white dots. They are going to be hearts, but some of them are just dots.
Can I call you Rose? Cause your fragrance takes over the room.
For the ring finger, I wanted to do a double French. Once I was happy with the line, I went in and made a couple of hearts and some more dots.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like
For the pinky, I wanted to do this white open heart. The open hearts are the hardest to do in my opinion, and you really have to take your time on them, especially when you're working on yourself. It is a lot harder to do. You have to twist your finger all kinds of ways to get the right angle. I then went in and added a smaller red heart. This one was a little bit easier to do because it's not completely closed. Then I added some little accent dots and another very small heart. Once I was satisfied with that heart, I top coated the nail, and then I had the idea to do a sugar glitter heart. So I tried drawing it. It didn't turn out well, and I really just wasn't liking how it was looking. So I removed that, as you'll see in a minute. I decided I wasn't liking that heart, so I just took it off. Then I decided to double the heart that I made at first, making the gel thicker and more vibrant because I had already top coated like you saw. And then I was going to make that the sugar glitter heart.
Can I call you Rose?
And this is the glitter that you'll see me using. I just laid down a paper towel. Remember to pour the glitter on top of wet gel, just like you would if you were doing a 3D design with acrylic. And then that inspired me to do the same to the other nails. And this is how they turned out. I really love them. The pink and the red is always such a cute combo to me. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you like any other tutorials in the comments.